Pushrod Fury. Pushrod Fury here. So we did that carb clean when we tested out the Harbor Freight Ultrasonic cleaner, and it just drove out so much dirt and grime. And I can't overemphasize how much time and effort went into trying to clean those carburetors before, as far as, you know, a lacquer thinner soak for 2 weeks, taking apart everything, you know, carb cleaner, all that jazz. And I just think it wasn't ever going to come clean until you used an ultrasonic cleaner. So, especially because of the state, you guys have all seen the picture of the before on that, on those carbs, just packed full of corrosion and filth. So what's nice though is we put it all back together. It's a bit of a headache because I'm spoiled by the Yamaha setup where the carbs are all attached to each other and they're actuated by one throttle cable. And you know, in the Kawasaki, they're all separate. So it's a little bit extra work to take the carbs on and off to get them set back up again. But I'm going to do a true cold start. So I'm going to go over to the bike, show you it's cold. I used high temperature RTV and new exhaust gaskets because I was getting blow by, a lot of it. And so I just want to show you, that it's cold, and we'll do a start. So of course I forgot the key, so I'll be right back. Choke on. How did it start and then not start? That's enough video of that. After cleaning all 3 carbs, I wanted to show you what came out. So all that dirt was in my carburetors that I thought I did a really thorough job cleaning, but this ultrasonic cleaner really drives out that kind of hidden grime from all of the ports. So it looks like it did its job. We'll start the bike up and see how it runs. Okay, so it's still cold. There we go. Let's turn fuel on. Choke. Got gas flowing. All right, let's see what happens here. One kick. So it's a big improvement. Before it would take like 12 kicks to start it. Now it's almost started on the first kick, but Nice strong start on the second. And really what we're looking for now is any blow-by from the headers. But I think that speaks volumes about the importance of ultrasonic cleaning dirty old carburetors. All right, let's walk over there. From the exhaust as they fire.